Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Elisha. In this video I will be showing you the perfect AI tool that you can use to create a thumbnail. I've actually been trying out a couple of thumbnail creators, those tools that can generate thumbnails, and tell you what, this one is perfect and you're gonna love it. It's the best of the best. Okay, so right now I'm logged into my YouTube channel, and this is a video that I've created, and these are the details of the video. So I want something that is catchy. This one looks very unrealistic. Some person can actually tell this was generated using AI. Okay, now I want something that is more realistic, and I'm gonna leave the link of that too in the description section. All you have to do is you simply click more after the title of this video that you're watching, and you're gonna see all those details. The link will be there and other details. So this is the tool. Let me just log on to the tool so that you see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the dashboard. When you log on, you need to make a selection of what you want to do with it. So you want to create a picture out of text prompts, right? So for you to describe the kind of a picture that you want this to create for you, what you need is you need to make use of ChatGPT. You can simply give simple instructions to ChatGPT and you punch in a description. Say, I want to create a picture with this and that, and then ChatGPT will actually add some spices so that whatever you're going to create using this tool will be presentable. Okay, so now let me show you what I've done. Okay, so these are the details that have to be on that particular picture that I want to create, which is going to be a thumbnail for me. So there are these catchy thumbnail, text. There's this one: deadliest creatures in the ocean, secrets of the ocean's most feared, shocking predators of the sea, and then thumbnail description. So ChatGPT had to give a detailed thumbnail description of that particular thumbnail that I want to generate. So here what I'll do is I will copy these details. I'll start with this one: catchy text options for the thumbnail, and then the details, and then just all right. So now after copying the text, I need to head back to this tool, which is a very powerful tool. Then I need to make sure that this side I set up the format of the thumbnail that I want to create. Is it supposed to be 3x4? Is it a 9:16? This one is most ideal for YouTube thumbnail, so I'm gonna go with this one. I set up that, and then I paste the text prompts here and then hit generate, and within a second, boom, this tool will actually generate that picture or those thumbnails, and you're gonna have two options from which you can actually select. And check this one out. This one is the most powerful. I love it. So you can take a peek from the two and check out how perfect these texts on the particular thumbnail are. They're beautiful, right? And they fit in perfectly well. So I'm gonna go with this one here, which is the first, and I'm gonna hit download. You see that? Download, and boom, then you see that getting downloaded, and it has been downloaded real fast. And what I'll do is I'll simply head back to my YouTube channel, and then scroll down. I get to where the thumbnail is, and I'm gonna just hit those three dots and then hit change, so that I happen to replace what has always been there with the latest thumbnail, which is sketchy and it's so beautiful. So this is the one here today, and boom, that has been replaced. Now this one is the best of the best. I commend that you give it a shot and you won't regret it. Remember, if you want to have clicks on YouTube, you have to have the most powerful thumbnail, which is clickable, and then you also have to make use of the most powerful title, which will prompt people to click your video. Well, thank you so much for watching this. I'm gonna leave everything in the description section. So the name of these two is Fotor. Okay, stay blessed. Don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to smash the like button and leave a comment in the comment section.